Hello everyone, today we will test an nRF24L01 transceiver module. It works on 2.4 GHz. Here we are using voltage adapter. It is required for the stable communication. First of all, connect antenna and voltage adapter to nRF module. Then connect the ESP32 as shown in the figure. So we have connected both the ESP32 to both the nRF modules. Once connected, now let's install the required software library. Go to Library Manager and search for nRF24. Then install the RF24 library. It will take some time. Once that is installed, go to RF24 examples and click on Getting Started firmware. Now change the CE and CSN pins to 4 and 5. Then save and upload the program. Similarly, upload the program to the another ESP32. Then open the serial ports. Enter 1 on one terminal and enter 0 on another one. Then press T in the terminal where we had entered 1. You will see that one of the nodes has started transmitting the data and another node is receiving the data. That's it. Thank you.